With more money comes more things such as more fun, more food, more shopping, more happiness, more adventures and vacations, more peace and security. One of the great things about making money online and literally just working online is that you don't need to depend on anyone but yourself. You can decide to work from your bed or you can decide to work from your couch. It is all up to you. Now, you can even eat whilst you're working and nobody can shout at you or say anything. You are completely free. Now, if this interests you, just watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you an awesome strategy that can help you to make money online. It's absolutely easy to do and it is free and it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa or Australia or Asia or Europe, America or South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. Just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's free. And click on the bell icon so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. So what you want to do is you want to go onto a website called slideshare.net. So when you're on slideshare.net, you'll come onto this page. It's basically a place where people upload articles. Now I'm going to show you how you can make money from simply just uploading articles. Now you don't have to create the articles yourself. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you an awesome strategy that a lot of people are using and making a lot of money from this. So basically, as you can see over here, this article has more than 1 million views. This has more than 100,000 views. This has more than 600,000 views, and it's filled with so many different articles over here, so many. So you can go from different letters and different numbers, different pages over here. So you'll see a lot of articles. Now, first thing, just create an account. It's free. Just click on the sign up button over here. It will take you over here. So you'll need to join with LinkedIn, which is also very easy to create. It's free. Just click join LinkedIn and then it will take you over here. You can just, if you have a Gmail account, you can just click on join with Gmail and it will directly sign you in. And if not, if you have like a Yahoo or Outlook, you can just put in your email address over here and put in your password and agree to join. So that's very simple. And once you have your account, you get back over here. That is step 1. Now, step 2, what you need to do is you need to go onto a website called freeplr. No, the website URL is plrplr.com. It's plrplr.com. And this is where you get free PLR articles for free. Basically, you can just use them for your own personal use. You can download them, you can edit them, you can sell them, you can publish them, you can do everything you want to do with them without any issues, without any copyright issues, without any illegal issues. It is absolutely free. PLR stands for private label rights, which means that you have the right to do whatever you would like to do with these articles. So I repeat, the URL is plrplr.com. So if you look over here, PLR article categories, so there's so many different categories you can choose from. So you can get articles in affiliate marketing, advertising, alternative energy, there's auctions, there's auto leasing, there's aviation. There's so many different articles that you can choose from. There's cats, cell phone, clothing, coaching, cars, carpet, careers, cardio, and the list just goes on and on. Dating, debt, dental, diabetes, dieting, divorce, dogs, and so many more. So the list is endless. So you want to choose a category that you would find interesting, that you think people would actually be interested in. So for example, let's click on affiliate marketing over here. So when we click on affiliate marketing, it's just going to give us a list of different articles that we can choose from. And for example, let's choose one. Let's say, for example, the 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing. Very simple, very interesting. So we want to click on that, and then it's going to give us the entire article written for us over here. So now what we would like to do is you want to actually copy every single word of the article. Copy that, and then you want to paste it on either a Word document or a Google Docs document. Basically, it's just like a Word document. So once you've opened, let's say, your Word document or your Google Docs, you will paste it over here. Make sure you paste exactly the entire article that you've just copied, and definitely the background over here is going to be black, so we just want to make sure that we change that background, which is over here, the highlight color, make it white so that we can see the text clearly. Okay, so now the text should be clear. So this is the entire article, so we want to make sure that we actually put in the title, of course. So we would like to go back to plrprr.com, and we can see the title is here: the 3 easiest ways for newbies to start in affiliate marketing. So we would like to copy that, and then once we've copied that, we'll go back onto our document over here, and then we want to make sure we paste that title over here. Okay, once again, we need to make sure that it is well clear because I can barely see anything. So what you want to do, as I've shown you, you just click over here on highlight color and then make sure that it's on white, and you would like to remove this. So okay, so the title was there. Okay, so basically we just want to make that big. Make sure that it's big so that it looks more presentable. Maybe put it on 24. There we go. So this is basically your article. Now I'm going to show you how you make money. You want to go onto a website called digistore24.com. It's digistore24.com. Now digistore24.com is a place where people are selling a lot of valuable things. Now you can become an affiliate, which means that when you sell, you help them sell their product, you get a really nice commission from every sale you make. So before I explain further, just create an account, just register now. You want to click on register now, and it's very easy to register. You just register everything, put in your first name, last name, country, your phone. Then once you're done, username. It's very simple. Just create your account, and then you should have your account. So basically, once you have your account, in my case, I would need to log in quickly. So let me just quickly log in. Okay, I need to log in. So I will need to log in. Give me 1 second. And if you haven't subscribed already, please just subscribe quickly. I would really appreciate that. And please like the video as well. I would really appreciate that as well. So I'm going to quickly just log in. Okay. Okay. So now once you've created your account, it will look something like this, which would be your dashboard. It will just show you your dashboard. And when you're over here, what you want to do is you want to click on Marketplace over here. Click on Marketplace. Now Marketplace is where you're going to see every single product that is available, and there's products in different categories: in social media, software, sports, education, dance and music, betting system, business and investments, email marketing. There's so many, photography and motion picture. So there's so many different, so many different products that you can actually promote. And for example, over here, if we promote this we get 85% commission, so that is a lot. And over here we get 93% commission. So over here we get 50% commission. This is really great because 50% commission on this amount, that's more than $400. So it's a lot of money to be made. So let's say, for example, we would like to promote this. What you want to do is you want to click over here. So this is the link over here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you must copy this link over here. Now what you want to do now is you want to go back onto that Google document or that Word document of yours, and then you want to make sure that you insert your affiliate link over here. Now then you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on link. Okay, once you click on link, that's where of course the link should be there, and then you want to type in something like how to make money online really quickly. Check out this free method. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to click on apply. So it should look something like that. Okay, so it should look something like that. How to make money online really quickly. Check out this free method. So when they click on that, it's going to take them to your affiliate link of the product that you are promoting. And then when they click on that and they decide to purchase, you're going to get 50% commission, which is like $450 for one person, which is a lot of money, and it is a great way to actually make money. So now once you have your link, make sure you copy that again, and then you want to make sure that whilst the person is reading the article, the person doesn't actually miss that, your link, because that's the most important part of it all. So you want to paste it again over here so that they don't miss it. So as you can see over here, we have it here and we have it here, and then that's when you want to save your document, save your entire article. And once you've saved your article, you want to go back onto slideshare.net, and that's when you want to upload your article, which is very easy to do. So that is basically that. So you'll just select file and then upload your document, and that's how you make your money basically. So let me run down every step for you so that you understand everything. So you create your account with SlideShare over here, where you can upload articles. Then you go onto plrplr.com. Then you find a really nice article that you think people would actually find interesting. Then you copy the entire article, then you paste it on a document, like a Word document. Then you go onto the Digistore, make sure you go onto the marketplace, and then find a nice product that pays you good commission, so that every time somebody makes a purchase, you actually make a decent amount of money. So you'll find something reasonable, and then if for example you want this, you just click on over here where it says promote now, then it's going to give you your link. Then you copy your link. So once you've copied your link, that's when you go back onto your Word document, and then you paste your link down here, of course, and then you just type in a nice text like how to make money online really quickly. Check out this free method. Put in the word free so that people like to click on free things so that they can have a look at it, and then if they're interested and make the purchase, you get money. So that's basically what you're doing. It's absolutely easy to do. I hope it's not too confusing. It's really working for me, working for a lot of people, and I just hope that it can work for you. If you have any questions, comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply to you. And please like the video as well. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the AD Money channel. Just click the red button to subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and click that bell icon over there as well. It's the notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.